Mongoose lemur!
The mongoose lemur is a critically endangered species of lemur that was native to the northwestern regions of Madagascar before being introduced to the Comoros Islands. Weighing in at an average of 2 to 3 kilograms, mongoose lemurs have an average body length of 35 centimeters and an average tail length of 48. While both sexes have gray fur and bushy tails, they are sexually dimorphic in that males have red fur on their sides and faces, while females have white fur. These lemurs live in small family groups dominated by the adult female and usually consist of a monogamous adult pair and 1 to 3 of their immature offspring, which are encouraged to leave the group once they reach sexual maturity at about 2 to 3 years of age. Mating is seasonal, and females usually give birth to a single offspring per year. Their diet consists mostly of fruit. The mongoose lemur's natural range generally consists of dry deciduous forests and have an average mean temperature ranging from 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. These regions also experience highly seasonal weather, though the Comoros Islands are known to be more humid. In addition to the mongoose lemur, other lemur species such as the crowned sifaka and gray mouse lemur can be found in these regions.
The mongoose lemur is cathemeral, which means they have an activity pattern which allows them to be active during any time of the day or night. They do not fit into a specific category of being nocturnal, diurnal, or crepuscular. The times that they are active do vary based on the time of year and weather. During the warm, wet months, they exhibit more diurnal activity, while the dry seasons bring about nocturnal tendencies. The current captive population of mongoose lemurs is approximately 100 to 110. The Duke Lemur Center has a population of 11, 5 being males and 6 being females. There is little to no information on the world population of mongoose lemurs, but a source from 1994 said it was estimated to be anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000. Given the shortage of information, the mongoose lemur could be at a greater risk than is currently known, and its status of critically endangered could be an understatement. Genetic diversity, or how one's lemur's genes are from another's, is a major problem for the mongoose lemur due to the small population sizes in captivity and in the wild. The smaller population size leads to inbreeding, which lowers their genetic diversity and leads to decreased fitness and adaptability. This decrease in fitness lowers their chance of survival and decreases their adaptability. Maintaining the mongoose lemur's genetic diversity is important to ensure continued survival.
The IUCN has outlined several actions for the conservation of the mongoose lemur. In unprotected habitats, hunting of the lemurs is a concern, most notably for food. Much of the mongoose lemur's habitat has been destroyed due to deforestation. Because of this, viable habitats are split into small fragments that become isolated. The mongoose lemur does not move between these fragments. Most reside in the larger fragments. The IUCN recommends quick action to maintain these larger fragments so that they do not become more separated. Habitat fragmentation due to slash-and-burn agriculture, burning to create pasture for cattle, and charcoal production remain the top threat to mongoose lemurs. The lemurs are considered a crop pest, and while protected under several agencies, the local Malagasy people pay no attention to these laws. Legal protection does little to help these species. By introducing short-cycle breeding animals like chicken and ducks, food sources other than lemurs become more readily available. Beekeeping and fish farming are also being taught to the locals. Establishing tree nurseries with native species and training locals to staff the nursery will allow deforestation to slow.
Fun
facts! The mongoose lemurs are the only lemur found outside of Madagascar. These lemurs also enjoy nectar, indicating that they are pollinators for several flower species. Here are citations. Lemur memes!